More photos coming. Conveniently located, beautiful, quiet cul-de-sac neighborhood. Very well maintained home. New roof, August 2019. HVAC and furnace replaced, April 2020. Exterior home painted and new deck installed, spring 2021. 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch, approximately 1+ acres. Beautiful level lot with private, fenced backyard. There's room for the kids, grandkids to get outside and play, or just sit in the shade and enjoy a cold glass of iced tea and feel the breeze. Huge deck for entertaining. Plenty of room for a garden. Welcoming front porch. Enter into large great room with a true masonry fireplace, separate dining room, kitchen with bayed breakfast area overlooking beautiful backyard. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet. Master bath is tiled with jetted tub/shower combination. The secondary bedrooms are oversized, also with a large tiled guest bath. On the back of the lot are 2 outbuildings. Water heater replaced.